Hi everybody, it is Thelma. Today is another hashtag Stamping Sunday. This is an open collab. You can come and go and join in anytime you want. And I am the host, and Paula, who is Crafting by the Pond, is the co-host. There's also another hashtag stamp play, and that is hosted by Susan's Heartstrings. They're both open collabs. All you have to do is to be a join in our you know what I mean. Just join us and have a great time. I used use your stash. Have fun. Play with stamps. I made a couple of different things. I actually had lost a stamp and I had just found it. So I made a glue book page. This stamp is from a friend, Rosemary, who does, she's in the United States, and she sent me this. This is from the United States Dollar Tree. And I think the Canadian Dollar Tree has this one too. I forget, it's been a little while since I've watched your channel. Sorry, I'll link her channel down below. This one, I do not know, but look at the background. Isn't that neat? I was so tempted to use that background of that stamp, but I just love it. It's got an owl. It says, "Love birds, tweet, tweet. A little birdie told me." This one says, "Beautiful, enjoy life, and have a nice day." I also have this one I just found. Isn't that pretty? And this one, I think it's from Temu. Oh, my friend Carlene Gilpin gave me that one. And it is so cute. Yeah. But I made a glue book page for Earth Day. This is a bird from a calendar. And what I did was on the edge, I used this color box and I stamped, I just pulled it out and went dump, 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 dabbed it in 4 different colors. But be careful, it has to dry. It takes a long time to dry. And if you have wet or glue fingers, you're gonna get, this will come up real easy. And it went through. But what I did was I did some of the birds using this watercolor palette from Dollar Tree or Dollarama. And then I used I forget what these are called. Anyway, I use these ones. These are color something. My friend picked these up for me. Some of them, and some of them I got to craft. They're from the, I think our Dollarama, I think. And they're all numbered, and I really like them. So I did use some of each. Some watercolor. But Earth Day is April the 22nd, which is tomorrow. So happy Earth Day, everybody. And then I have these. And like Susan Heartstrings says, when you got your stamps out, stamp extra. And she likes to stamp on color paper, on cardstock. this is cardstock from a paper pad, the cover and the back cover, because I wanted, you know, thicker cardstock. See? I did the owls in brown and orange. She says, enjoy life, have a nice day. Beautiful. So I've got all of these, and I've got a few more sentiments somewhere else. They're floating in underneath my things. But these are great big, I call them tags. So, and I could just cut them and use the back. But that's how it started out. I accidentally got glue on the back, but they were all like this with script and stuff. So lovebirds, chirp, tweet, a little birdie told me. I used, like I said, watercolor and these pens. And then I made this. And for the trees and branches, I just took brown paper and cut. And there I had some die cuts already of paper of flowers, and these are from my stash. See, I've got another one here to use too for tags, so it'll look pretty. That's why I kept it, so I can use that. And I'm going to put these birds on it, and flowers and leaves. So I might just cut this one and make it a double, but this will look really nice. Anyway, I thought I would make a little longer video for everybody. Everybody have a great Sunday, and we'll see you around in another video. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing to my channel, and subscribing to Paula's and Susan's Heartstrings. And I hope everybody have a great day, and we'll see you around in another video. Bye for now.